There's a couple of things that we look for when we're checking the garage doors. We want to make sure that they're operating properly, make sure that they have the proper safety equipment and safety features that you are supposed to have. So I'm going to go ahead and hit these buttons right here. We're going to shut both of these doors. I'm going to run over there. We're going to check the cat eyes real quick. We're going to check this first one. Oh, that one didn't go off. That one did. Okay, that one did too. So these cat eyes down here are supposed to reverse the door if anything breaks the beam. You've got one over here, one over here. You've got that on both sides, one here and one here if you have double garage doors. Anytime anything breaks that beam, it's going to reverse that garage door.